Now we discuss to find the value of cosec minus 1410. The solution of these questions, we know that the value of cosec x repeat of the interval of 2 pi. So therefore the value of cosec x, cosec minus 1410 plus 4 into 360. So the value of cosec minus 1410 plus 1440. 1440 subtract to the 1410 the cosec 30, and the value of cosec 30 equal to 2. Now next, find the value of cot minus 15 pi by 4. The value of cot minus 15 by 4, since so we know that the value of cot x repeat in the interval of pi. Repeat in the interval of pi are 180. So cot minus 15 upon 15 pi upon 4 plus 4 pi, that's equal to cot pi by 4 equal to 1. The trigonometric function, we find all the trigonometric values of their corresponding angle. Now next we discuss the trigonometric function of sum and difference of two angles. We shall derive the expression for trigonometric function of the sum and difference of two numbers or angles and related to their expression. Now sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, cos minus x is equal to cos x, cos x plus y equal to cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y. Prove this result by the way. So consider a unit circle. Consider a unit circle with center O, center at the origin of O. Let be the angle P4OP1, and y be the angle P1OP2. Then x plus y is the angle of P4OP2. So also let the minus of angle y be the angle of P4OP3. Therefore P1, P2, P3 and P4 will have the coordinate of P1 cos x sin x, P2 cos x plus y sin x plus y, P3 cos minus y sin minus y, and P4 1 0. So consider we the find value of cos x minus y. Cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x, sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Sin pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x, and sin x plus y, sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, These are the identities of a trigonometric functions. These are all the identities of a trigonometric function, so such that cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x, cos sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus cos x, cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, sin pi minus x is equal to sin x, cos pi plus x is equal to minus cos x, sin pi plus x is equal to minus sin x, cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x, sin 2 pi plus x is equal to minus sin x. If none of the angle x, y and x plus y, if none of the angle of x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Since tan x plus y equal to sin x plus y upon cos x plus y. Now expand sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. The numerator and denominator divided by the cos x cos y, then we get sin x cos y upon cos x cos y plus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. Now divided cos x cos y upon cos x cos y minus sin x sin y upon cos x cos y. Then we get the result to the tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Next, similarly, we can find the identity of tan x minus y. Tan x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x tan y. If none of the angle x, y, x plus y is a multiple of pi, so that cot x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x, and cot x minus y equal to cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Now the next identity related to the cos of double angles cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to the cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So x not equal to n pi plus pi by 2, and the identity of sin x 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So x not equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. If 2x not equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Now the next identity sin 3x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x can be written as sin 2x plus x, and explained these identity with the help of sin x plus y. Sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x. 2 sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. 2 sin x cos square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Cos square x change into 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x, and 2 sin x bracket 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is the identity of triple angles. So therefore, now next as the cos of 3x. Cos of 3x is equal to the 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So next identity tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3x can be written as tan 2x plus x. Tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x plus tan x upon 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into tan x. So 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x, that's equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So therefore this is proof of the tan 3x. Now the next identity is cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y upon cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y minus sin 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Sin x plus sin y equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, and sin x minus sin y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. This is the identity of sin C plus sin D. So next identity, 2 cos x plus cos y equal to cos x plus cos y plus cos x minus cos y minus 2 sin x y minus 2 sin x sin y equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. 2 sin x cos y equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, and 2 cos x sin y equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. These are the identities. From these identities we solve the next exercise of the problems. So the problem we solved and explained in the next lecture. Thanks.